Hello guys, how are you? Now we are in a mall. This mall name is The Viewer. This is so big and cool. Oh, now we are under The Viewer. There are lots of shops. Now there are lots of when there are beds. Here there's one big bed and there's two big beds. And there's also a lift. You can go up also. Now we all are going up. We all are going in a lift. Now this is a shop. This is the OKD shop. This is very big shop in this mall. There are lots of phone covers also. There are phone covers. Now we are in the play area. You could play everything, whatever you want. You can play swing, you can play a game console, you can play everything, whatever you want. Now look up, there are lots of lights. They are so nice and beautiful. Now we are inside the play area. Look, there are playing. You can play this, you can play that, you can play like a swing, flying, like a skiing. You can play everything. There are lots of play things. You can play everything. Bicycle showroom. There are lots of bicycles. There are mountain bike, normal bike, small bike, big bikes. There are very big and small bike. Now we are seeing bicycles. Some bicycles have black wheels, some bicycles have white wheels, and some wheels are so small.